Okay, here we go. I've opened up that drain that was plugged. We're going to find out what was in this thing. So that I just broke this pipe. That's jammed solid. I took the trap out of there. That was a floor drain. And then that connected to that chunk that I replaced. And that was working just fine until about 2 months after I repaired it. So I had to bust open again and repair the floor drain. So let's go see what was in that trap. Okay, here's the trap. There's some debris in there, but that's dirt from when I had to dig that hole out. It was plugged. I couldn't get anything through here. It would stop in here somewhere. So when we look in this pipe, see that shiny object? That's plugged the whole sewer line. I'm gonna try to push that out and we'll see what that is. My bet is that's a kid's toy or a Christmas ornament. Okay, I hit that with a hammer a few more times to break it open. That's what's stuck. That's a ball of some sort. If you can see that. Found it. That was washed down the floor drain or the sink drain. And it looks like a little disco ball, like a light Christmas ornament. There was a string attached to it. And that got wedged right in here and plugged up the whole sewer line. Unbelievable.